Disasters are not sexy, and talking about disasters is not inviting until an unfortunate circumstance occurs. No one wants to hear about a flood, a fire, a disaster preparedness, or mitigation, because the message isn't accompanied by a dance, a fan, or profane words. Today I want to challenge you to try and find time to learn as much as you can about life-saving solutions. Get with your family and friend groups to bounce off ideas about innovative preparation, evacuation, and mitigation techniques. Because a life is worth saving. Flood. On July 4th, a flash flood in central Texas was described as a once-in-a-lifetime disaster. Radar and precipitation data from the National Weather Service, their warnings show the floods were the result of extraordinary atmospheric conditions that sent intense plumes of Gulf of Mexico moisture into parts of Texas, long known to be vulnerable to flash flooding, when bursts of heavy rain cause water to rapidly rise. Overnight, over 8 inches of rain fell in the far north area of San Antonio toward the hill country, resulting in what you saw, major flooding. At least 47 people, including 15 children, perished amid catastrophic July 4th flooding, which sparked a massive search and rescue response in the hill country. Now, according to CNN, a desperate search continues for over 20 girls from Camp Mystique. It's a girls' summer camp in Carrizo, Texas. Fire. According to KTLA-5, the Madre Fire is now the largest wildfire in California this year, expanded to 79,630 acres by today, July 5th, promoting expanded evacuation orders and worsening air quality across parts of Southern California. The fire ignited shortly after 1 p.m. on Wednesday, July 2nd, along Highway 166 near New Cuyama in San Luis Obispo County. Pushed by strong winds, the blaze rapidly advanced east-northeast onto the Carrizo Plain, scorching tens of thousands of acres of dry bush within days. Combined with lingering smoke from the 4th of July fireworks, officials warn that the particle pollution levels could reach unhealthy or even hazardous levels for large portions of Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. Officials said the fire remains active, with wind-driven runs fueling continued growth along the southeastern edge. Isolated flare-ups and intense activity were reported along both the northwestern and southeastern perimeters, while large pockets of scattered fire persisted within the burn areas. One structure has been affected, and approximately 50 structures remain threatened. Now, Now the fire was 10% contained as of this evening, Saturday, and the cause is currently under investigation. Cal Fire said it wasn't yet aware of any injuries or damage. I pray that it remains this way. Listen, floods and fires are only two disasters amongst many others. Weather disasters are becoming increasingly severe and are having significant impacts on human health, the economy, and infrastructure. Y'all, we're currently experiencing a mirage of natural and man-made disasters throughout this country and abroad. Dealing with life's disasters, whether natural or personal, requires a multifaceted approach that includes emotional support, practical strategies, and self-care. It's crucial to acknowledge the impact of the event or events, seek help when needed, and focus on rebuilding a sense of normalcy while accepting that change is inevitable. Change is inevitable. Until next time, comment below, subscribe or follow, like and share this video for more content.